Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Gardening, and in this episode we will look at making a hole in a very thick ceramic jar. In a previous episode we saw how to make holes in ceramic containers that have a thin base, but here I'll show you how to make holes in ceramic containers with a thicker base. And I'll be using simple tools like the hammer and a nail. So first off, start by rubbing water onto the surface where you'll be drilling. And ensure you've placed the jar on top of a cushioning rug, or like I've used, a thick towel. This will absorb the blow of the hammer and the jar will not break. So now rub water onto the surface and then use a sharp object like this garden tool to first create an indent or a starting point. Once you get the point marked, use a nail or anything with a sharp tip and hit it with a hammer slowly. You must keep wetting the surface in frequent intervals. Take your time, especially if the ceramic jar is expensive or is a family heirloom that holds sentimental value. Once the nail embeds itself into the jar, you'll know that the hole has formed, and you can make it bigger by giving it some side blows like this. So folks, I've used no drilling machine, just a normal nail and a hammer, and I was successful in converting this pickle jar or bharani into a new planter. Now the only thing left is to plant this planter, and here I'm using a dahlia bulb that will gracefully adorn this erstwhile pickle jar. And with this, we have come to the end of yet another episode of Urbanscape Gardening, and I really hope you enjoyed this particular program. Additionally, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given below. And always remember, to grow slow is to grow well. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again, a very warm goodbye.